Welcome back. Are you considering early retirement but feeling uncertain or confused? You're not alone. With so many myths and misconceptions about retiring early, it can be difficult to make a decision. But don't worry. In this video, we're debunking the top 5 early retirement myths so that you can make an informed decision with confidence. Keep watching to learn the truth behind early retirement and put your worries to rest. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so as not to miss out on any of our videos. The first myth we will talk about is, you need a high income to retire early. One common myth about early retirement is that a high income is necessary in order to retire. This is not necessarily true. While a high income can make early retirement easier, many people retire early with lower incomes by living frugally and saving a high percentage of their income. They focus on reducing their expenses, paying off debt, and building an emergency fund, while investing in low-cost index funds or real estate. This can help them accumulate enough savings to support themselves during their early retirement years. Additionally, many early retirees choose to live a simpler lifestyle, which can significantly reduce their cost of living. By being mindful of their spending, they can retire comfortably without needing a high income. Furthermore, some early retirees choose to supplement their savings by starting a side business or earning passive income through investments. The key to early retirement is not necessarily a high income, but rather smart financial planning and disciplined saving habits. You need to be a millionaire to retire early. Another common myth about early retirement is that one needs to be a millionaire in order to retire early. This is not accurate. While having $1 million can make early retirement easier, many people retire early with less money by adopting a simple lifestyle and relying on alternative sources of income. They focus on reducing their expenses, paying off debt, and saving as much as possible. They invest in low-cost index funds, real estate, or other forms of passive income that generate money for them even when they are not working. These strategies can help them accumulate enough savings to support themselves during their early retirement years. Additionally, early retirees who do not have $1 million may still be able to retire early if they have a low cost of living and low monthly expenses. They may also choose to work part-time or start a side business to supplement their savings. The important factor is not necessarily the amount of money saved, but the individual's ability to live within their means and generate income without relying on a traditional 9-to-5 job. While $1 million may make early retirement easier, it is not necessary to have that much money to retire early. With careful financial planning and disciplined saving habits, anyone can retire early regardless of their income level. Early retirement means being inactive and bored. The notion that early retirement means being inactive and bored is a common misconception. In reality, early retirement can be an opportunity to pursue new interests, hobbies, and passions that one may not have had time for while working. Many early retirees find fulfillment through traveling, volunteering, starting a business, or pursuing a new hobby. Additionally, early retirement provides the freedom to spend time with family, friends, and loved ones, which can be a source of happiness and fulfillment. Early retirees can also continue to stay active and engaged in their communities through volunteering, participating in local events, or joining clubs and organizations. They can also stay mentally stimulated by taking classes, reading, or learning new skills. Furthermore, many early retirees choose to work part-time or start a business, which can provide additional income and a sense of purpose. In conclusion, early retirement does not have to mean being inactive and bored. With proper planning and a focus on finding fulfillment outside of work, early retirees can lead active, meaningful, and enjoyable lives. Social Security will not be there when I retire. The concern that Social Security will not be there when one retires is a common myth. Social Security is a federal program that has been in place since 1935 and is designed to provide a safety net for retirees, disabled individuals, and survivors. While the future of Social Security is uncertain, it is still expected to be available for many years to come and provides a guaranteed source of income for retirees. Over the years, Social Security has undergone changes and reforms in order to maintain its solvency, but it is still considered a reliable source of income for retirees. The Social Security Trust Fund has reserves that are projected to last until 2035, at which point Social Security would still be able to pay out about 75% of benefits using its current revenue sources. The program is also subject to ongoing debate and discussion in Congress, and further reforms may be implemented to ensure its long-term viability. While the future of Social Security is uncertain, it is still expected to be a reliable source of income for retirees for many years to come. It is important for individuals to consider Social Security as part of their retirement plan and to prepare for retirement in other ways, such as saving for retirement and reducing debt. Finally, you have to give up all luxuries and live like a monk. The belief that one has to give up all luxuries and live like a monk in order to retire early is a myth. While many early retirees do adopt frugal lifestyles in order to save more money, they do not necessarily have to give up all luxuries or live a monastic existence. Early retirees can still enjoy the things they love, such as dining out, traveling, or participating in hobbies, as long as they do so within their means. By living within their means, they can continue to enjoy the things they love without breaking the bank. Early retirees may also choose to prioritize their spending and cut back on unnecessary expenses in order to reach their financial goals. Retiring early does not mean giving up all luxuries or living a monastic existence. With careful budgeting and financial planning, early retirees can live the lifestyle they desire while still reaching their financial goals. The key is to find a balance between spending and saving, and to prioritize spending in a way that allows for both financial stability and enjoyment of life. In conclusion, retiring early is a goal that many strive to achieve, but there are several myths that can be harmful and get in the way of making this dream a reality. Fortunately, many of these myths can be debunked with a bit of research and understanding. The 5 most common early retirement myths are that you need a high income, must save up $1 million, have the perfect investment portfolio, downsize your lifestyle, or wait until you're 60 or 65. However, none of these are necessarily true. You can retire early without an extravagant income or savings account by adjusting your lifestyle to better fit your goals and diversifying your investments to suit your needs. It may take some extra work and planning, but it's certainly possible. Ultimately, if you're serious about retiring early, it's important to do your own research and make sure you're well informed about the process. With the right strategies and dedication, you can make the dream of early retirement a reality. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment, and click on the notification bell so as not to miss out on our videos. See you soon.